Hello everyone, welcome back to another review. Today we're taking a look at this ice maker. On and off buttons right here. If you need to add water, it will let you know. If the ice is full, it's going to let you know. Very sleek design. Make sure you keep it upright for at least 2 hours before you plug it in and turn it on. We have already done that. Here is your ice compartment. Make sure you remove all the plastic around. So all these plastic tape, you don't want that in there. You'll have some pieces on the side, just like this. So we're going to go ahead and remove it. There's an ice bag and an ice scooper. Pull out the ice tray. Now make sure you wash this and clean it out, and then let it run and cycle through multiple uses. So I recommend filling up at least 2 to 3 baskets full of ice to get the flavor and the bad taste out. Because it's a new unit, so as water goes through the system and produces ice, the ice cubes aren't going to taste that good right away. So get that out of its system. There's a max fill line. What you're going to do is you're going to take this basket out, you're going to fill water up to the max fill line, place the basket down in, and then you're going to turn the unit on. On the back, there's basically, it's just breathability on the back. So very simple unit. We're going to go ahead, put water in it, and test it out for you guys. There is also this little handle. So what you do is you place it in like this, and then you turn it up like this, and then you have a nice carrying handle as well. So you place it in the sides just like that. And of course, there is a user manual right here. Before you turn it on, fill it up with water. Again, if it's your first time, don't fill it past the max line. We pretty much know the gauge, so that was about close enough. Now it will take some water in the system, so you can get it right on the max line, because it will pull water in the system for the first time use, which is okay. But after that, you never want to fill it past that max line. We went past it because it's the first time use, and you can see that there's water setting in here. Normally, you do not want to see water setting in the tray. But because we're filtering through for the first time, now we're going to go ahead and press the on button. It's going to then take the water. If you guys can see, it's draining the water down. It's sending it through the unit. And then it's going to come out here into our tray. And we're just going to let that be for probably an hour or so, and we'll check on it and see you guys in a bit. Alright, so once we have the ice cubes, we can kind of get an idea of how they look. They're almost like little bricks in a way. Now, as the fluid gets colder inside the unit, the ice cubes will get bigger and harder. But right now, that's what they look like. Overall, it's a nice little ice maker.